Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mandy here from Louie and Bougie, and I hope you are doing well. Long time no film. I know it's been a hot minute, so I am really excited that I am able to film this for you guys today. It's a back-to-back Chanel unboxing, guys. Can't even handle it. Like, it's crazy. I just feel like I've had so many opportunities. I'm so grateful and thankful that I've been able to do this, and that I was able to get something else from Chanel, especially so soon after my large purchase that you guys know. I literally have been waiting my whole life basically to buy that bag, so this is a surprise purchase basically. My sales associate told me about it, and she knew I was looking for something like this, so I can't thank her enough. Shout out to Carrie, my associate. She's awesome, phenomenal. So I'm so happy and excited that I get to share this with you guys today. So if you do want to see what I got from Chanel in this unboxing, then please stay tuned. And I'm so glad I'm coming back on here and filming again because I miss you guys, and I honestly feel like I haven't filmed in forever. And I thought it only fitting that I wear this Chanel necklace as well, that I got from a consignment shop. If you follow me on Instagram, I did talk about this a little bit more. So yes, without further ado, let's get into it. Huge shopping bag again. Can't fully fit it on the screen, but I'm gonna try. So try to sneak it in there. So yeah, as you can see, it has the white camellia on the front and the Chanel classic logo, of course. Can't fit the whole thing on here, but we're gonna go for it. Again, I feel terrible unwrapping this packaging, but this is the only way that we're gonna be able to get to the purchase. So, of course, the classic Chanel ribbon with the white and black writing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love, love, love. Obsessed. Okay. Guys, we're gonna get into this. This is so unexpected. Trust me, I literally did not know I was gonna get this bag, but I am so happy and glad I did. It's all in the timing and all in the moment, so I love it. Okay. Oh my god, this box is huge. It's just as big as the other one. Actually, it might be a little bigger. Whoa, I think this might be bigger than the other box. That's insane. Wow. I didn't think it could get any bigger, but I guess it can. A little bit. Yeah, the Chanel bag is about the same size as the one for the classic flap. And then here's the box. I can't refilm this, so I apologize if there are any glitches in advance. Hopefully there are none. But can't refilm when you have this gorgeous packaging that we're undoing here. Again, Chanel packaging is by far one of my favorites. They really go all out on the packaging, and it does take them a bit of time. I'd say it probably took her 20 minutes or so just to wrap this up. But they really are diligent with their packaging, and I really do love that and appreciate that about the fashion house, the iconic Chanel. So as you can see, you have the white camellia flower again here, which always save the white camellias and the Chanel ribbons. Right. We're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I literally just picked it up today, guys. I knew I couldn't wait like another day to unbox this, so I wanted to make sure I got this. And you've got this nice big box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh, so excited. But you guys know the other one that I got was literally a long time awaited, like waited my whole life for that one, so it's pretty iconic. But this one, I mean, this is one that I feel like I've always wanted, but I wasn't sure when I was gonna get it, and I just lucked out, honestly, with this one. And with the price point of this particular one, I knew I couldn't pass up on the opportunity, so I am very excited. Okay, you guys ready? Oh my god, this is literally bigger than the Chanel flat box. I thought that one was huge. This is even bigger. Look at this. Look at that logo. That's insane. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. Okay. You guys ready for this? Because I am ready. Ready to go. Alright. We got this. Again, phenomenal packaging here. Oh wow, look at this tissue paper. Looking good. I know, I kind of want to move the bag so it doesn't like get hit here, because we know the shopping bag is iconic. I literally save all of my luxury packaging. I am one of those people that will save it, reuse it, put it on display, decor, whatever. I feel like it's a good thing to do, honestly. So yeah, again, you have the magnetic box closure, which is iconic to most fashion houses. Oh my god. To the Chanel tissue paper, it's white and it has the Chanel logo on it. I know it's hard for me to like kind of show you guys as I'm doing it, but oh, look at this Chanel dust bag. Yes, look at this. Very different from the classic flap. The classic flap has that white iconic Chanel flap style dust bag. This is the black. This is actually the same as my espadrilles. My espadrilles came in literally the same dust bag, except smaller versions of it. But super cute. It's very tall. Wow. Oh, and then it has the drawstrings here. So if you want to close it on the side, you can. It has a very large opening. But that's because it's a little bit of a bigger bag. So without further ado, let's reveal her. So pretty. Here she is. Oh my gosh. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, and then of course you got the little care booklet here, so the care instructions little packet that you'll get with your Chanel purchase. So that was at the bottom of the box. So you'll always have that, which is great. Let me just, there we go. Okay. Oh no, it's getting glitchy. Ah! I hate when that happens. Okay, I apologize again for the glitchiness, guys, but I can't really refilm it. So I'm gonna hide the little tag here, but here she is, the iconic Deauville tote bag. And this is in the large size, I believe. There are larger sizes for this tote bag, but I think this is a really nice size. I feel like it's not too big and bulky and not too small either. It's kind of the perfect in-between size. And I honestly think it's great because I feel like if I had a bigger one, I would be like filling it to the brim and it would be super heavy. Whereas this one, I feel like because you have a little bit more of a limit as to what you can fit in here, I feel like I won't go as crazy with stuffing it. So I am really excited about this, honestly. So unexpected, and I'm obsessed. So it's in this gorgeous beige color, and it has a little bit of white here too with the handles, which I love. And these are leather handles, which are very nice. And then you've got kind of like this interwoven fabric here. So it's like a white fabric in the chain strap, if you guys can kind of see here. So it's perfect for the summer and the spring, and I'm so obsessed with it. And the gold writing I love. And then I also love this material. It feels kind of like tweed, but not really. It's like a lighter material than tweed. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a woven material, but it looks like tweed. It definitely looks like it's a heavier like tweed material, but it's a little bit lighter, and it's a woven kind of material. And she said the name, the sales associate in the store, but I don't remember what it was or how to pronounce it. So I am obsessed, obsessed. And they literally only had this one left. So I knew I had to get it, and it was brand new, shipped to the boutique. So this is a super popular style, very hard to get. You know, a lot of the Chanel styles can be harder to get. So when you do have it become available, definitely take full advantage. And I definitely did. So I'll show you guys kind of what the inside of the bag looks like as well. You have a really nice chain strap here, which I love. And I love, again, you got the leather handles here. With the bigger Deauvilles, you will get the top handle strap, but with this one, you just get the shoulder strap. And honestly, I kind of like that you just have the shoulder strap. I think it makes it a little bit easier to kind of style, and it's a little bit more casual. And I like that it has kind of like the ribbon, like the white interwoven like ribbon. I feel like it kind of brings it to a more casual level versus doing like a leather interwoven like with the classic flaps. They're a bit more luxurious, but this one's like still super luxurious and beautiful, but has kind of like a more casual vibe to it, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna have so much fun styling this bag. I feel like it would go perfect with the outfit I'm wearing now as well as other outfits, so I'm so excited for spring and summer. This is the bag. Okay. And the price point for this one is not bad either. It's definitely not as much as the classic flap. I will definitely say the classic flap is a lot more than this one, so definitely a great buy. Here's the interior. It's kind of this nice, like, it's like an off-white kind of beigey color on the inside. It almost has like a little like peach kind of tint to it, but nothing like crazy like orange or whatever, but it's like a beige cream off-white kind of color on the inside. And as you can see here, you'll have the little zipper pull here. So you'll have this back pocket, zippered pocket. You'll get your little authentication card. I won't show my number just for obvious reasons, but you'll get that there. And then on the other side here, it looks like, oh yeah, and then you have the serial number on the inside of the bag as well on the little tag. And then on the other side here, you'll have the double pockets. So I'm trying to get this price tag out of the way. It just keeps on wanting to pop up. But yeah, so you have the little pockets right here. So you got the double pockets in the back, which are beautiful and perfect. Love. And then you also have this nice button closure detail. So you'll be able to do that as well. I know some of the Deauvilles, the bigger ones, I think they have like the zipper on the top. So there are some differences in the sizing in terms of the structure and like what other kind of details that they have, but I love how simple this one is. And they do put plastic on all of the hardware, so once you start wearing it and using it, you can like take it off and do what you gotta do. But I love that they package it so carefully and they have everything all wrapped, so absolutely love. And the bottom's very simple too. It doesn't have any feet or anything. But I just love this bag. Like, I think this is me in a bag. Like, if I'm picturing my perfect summer tote bag, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm just so happy and excited because I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I knew I needed like a summer tote bag, like something I could like wear and bring with me, you know, if I was going on vacation or if I was doing a getaway or a long weekend, something like that, or even just out and about, you know, casual day to day. Like, I feel like this is the perfect little bag. I'm so excited, guys. I cannot wait. It's iconic, it's Chanel, it's beautiful, it's unexpected, but in the best way possible. I'm so grateful and thankful that my sales associate reached out to me and let me know about this bag because, like I said, this was literally the only one left. So I snagged it because I was like, this is what we gotta get, and it's beautiful. I am so happy. So happy to add this beautiful bag to my collection. Unexpected in the best way possible, and I am so excited. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I haven't done this in a while. As you guys can see, I'm a little rusty. But if you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, then be sure to give this a thumbs up. And if you are interested in seeing more content, then please do subscribe. I did purchase something also from Burberry today, so I may be having a Burberry unboxing coming your way soon. And I may or may not be posting that in the thumbnail as well, my little shopping bags. So I'm very excited. Cannot wait to use this beauty. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night whenever you're watching, and thanks. Love you. Bye.